Hey there everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I have an exciting lineup of brand new Blender add-ons that are sure to enhance your workflow as a 3D artist. From modeling asset libraries to animation and geometry node setups, these tools will take your projects to the next level. I'm confident you'll find something that catches your eye. Let's dive into something out of this world with Alien Worlds. This add-on allows you to create fully customizable and procedural space scenes. It includes all sorts of celestial elements like planets with custom properties, stars, black holes, and more. The add-on comes with environment presets like base stars, outer stars, and nebula, which you can customize to your liking. Alien Worlds is compatible with both EV and cycles, optimized to give you the least amount of render time possible. Now let's talk about Blender Kit, one of the most comprehensive asset libraries out there. Blender Kit integrates directly into Blender, offering a vast collection of high-quality 3D models, materials, textures, and brushes from creators worldwide. You can choose between the free and full plans, both packed with valuable resources. This add-on supports customizable tags and advanced filters, helping you quickly find what you need. Plus, you can explore different collections handpicked by experienced creators or even sell your own assets within the community. We have BackScapes, an add-on designed to enhance your renders by adding detailed background assets. This add-on doesn't just cover one type of background, it includes cityscapes, mountain views, and even spaceports. The variety is impressive, covering different kinds of projects. These assets are realistic because they are photoscanned from actual real-world locations and edited for the highest level of detail. With over 120 options from cities like Miami, Rio de Janeiro, Berlin, London, and so on, you have a lot to choose from. Plus, these assets are super easy to use, just drag and drop them into your scenes. They also integrate seamlessly with Blender's asset library. Moving on, we have Wrap It, a Blender add-on by Blender Guppy, the developer behind Random Flow and Creator Flow. Wrap It is all about wrapping your objects in vacuum plastic bags. It's simple to use, just select your object and wrap it. The add-on comes with various settings to fine-tune your wraps, such as offset, wrap method, mode, resolution, and more. The generated wrap comes pre-made with a realistic plastic material, saving you the hassle of creating it from scratch. Next, let's talk about Potter's Touch. This add-on is from Production, the same creators behind popular Blender add-ons like Forestation, Transportation, CamFX, and Cloudscapes. Potter's Touch offers a unique collection of ready-to-use 8K textures, specifically designed for Blender's asset browser. The library includes 26 photorealistic textures available in 8K, 4K, and 2K, giving you flexibility based on your project's needs. These high-quality textures are seamless and fully customizable within the shader graph, with controls for roughness, scale, specular level, and more. They are perfect for ultra-close shots and scenic objects. Next, we have AutoTrail, an add-on for adding trail effects using geometry nodes. This asset library is packed with geometry node trees for creating various trail effects. With AutoTrail, you can add customizable trails to straight lines or curved edges, making it perfect for things like sword slashes, bullets, and any motion-related effects. The add-on includes over 20 unique effects, ranging from basic glows to comic book-style text trails. Last but not least, we have the Airflight add-on, which simplifies creating aerial shots and aircraft animations. This add-on includes 9 highly detailed aircraft models and various animation presets. It allows you to animate different aircraft movements like turbulence and helicopter hover, with controls for pitch, yaw, and roll. The models are low poly, and optimized for easy animation and rendering. The add-on also includes a movie cloud system and a preset sky for realistic renders. And there you have it. If you're interested in any of these add-ons, you'll find all the necessary links in the description. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.